In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Photoshop. We'll walk through a clean, reliable method that keeps features aligned and tones matched, so your result looks natural. Start by opening both your source image and your target image in Photoshop. Select the lasso tool and carefully trace around the face you want to use. Aim to include the forehead, cheeks, and jawline, but avoid too much background. A steady, close selection will make blending easier later. Zoom in as needed and follow natural contours like the hairline and jaw so the edges read cleanly once blended. With the face selected, switch to the Move tool and drag that selection directly into the target image. In the Layers panel, lower the opacity of the new face layer to about 50%. This see-through view lets you line up features more precisely. Now press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform. If the direction doesn't match, right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Use the corner handles to resize and rotate as needed. Focus on aligning the eyes first, then the nose and mouth. Minor differences in head tilt are normal, just nudge until the key features sit naturally. Press Enter or Return to apply the transformation, then restore the face layer opacity to 100%. To harmonize skin tones, duplicate the background layer with Ctrl+J, hold Ctrl and click the face layer thumbnail to load that exact face selection. Go to Image Adjustments, Match Color. Under Source, pick the current document and set the reference as background copy. Click OK. This tells Photoshop to match the face tones to the underlying image, which quickly eliminates most color mismatches. Refine the edge so it blends cleanly. Go to Select, Modify, Contract, and enter about 6 pixels, adjusting for your image size. Click OK. Temporarily disable the top face layer and the original background layer. With background copy active, go to Edit, clear to remove the old face beneath the selection, then press Ctrl+D to deselect. Re-enable the top face layer, hold Shift, and select both visible layers. Go to Edit, Auto Blend Layers, choose Stack Images, and click OK. Photoshop analyzes the content and blends edges and tones for a seamless, realistic swap. That's your final result, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.